Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share my 5 secret tips for beautiful lips. In our daily lives, we take care of our skin, we take care of our hair, but we tend to forget our lips, right? So these tips will help you achieve a clear, smooth, supple, pink and pouty lips. So without wasting a single moment, let me quickly take you to the tips. First tip is exfoliation. Exfoliation is extremely important for our lips. It helps to get you rid of all the dead cells, all the dirt and grime and flakiness that's lying on your lips. So the best kind of exfoliation method that I know is with toothbrush. So you can take your toothbrush, of course, with like soft bristles, and then you can use some oil, like any oil that you use, maybe a mustard oil, coconut oil, castor oil, olive oil, whatever oil that you prefer. You can just apply some oil or Vaseline. Vaseline is what I prefer the most, and you can just brush your lips with your toothbrush. Don't kill your lips, be very gentle, because after all it's your lips, it's sensitive, it's soft. Now I'll tell you my secret method of exfoliation. So what I do is every morning when I brush my teeth, I also brush my lips. Yes, you heard me right. So the thing is, who has so much time, so much energy and so much memory to remember to reach out to your toothbrush and then all these things to brush your lips, to exfoliate it. So what I do is, once I'm done brushing my teeth, once I'm clean, with a clean brush on a damp lips, what I do is I just brush it in a circular motion and then I just wash it off. So this way I remember to brush my lips. This way I have some maintenance going on every single day for my lips. Tip number 2 is very simple, deep cleansing, like how we deep cleanse our skin every 15 days or maybe once in every month. It's equally important to deep cleanse our lips. So what you can do is you can go for any lip mask or any lip scrub that is simply available in the market, or you can just take some brown sugar and some honey, or maybe brown sugar and some olive oil and just rub it on your lips. You can do this once in a week also, maybe once in 15 days or once in a month, depending on your time and your preference, but do deep clean your lips. It's very important. Okay, so the tip number 3 is moisturize. Very important. Again, I have this in my bag, I have this on my side table, I have this at my workstation, I have it everywhere. It's very important. I reach out to this at least 10 to 12 times in a day. I'm not kidding. I need my Vaseline all the time because I need to moisturize my lips, because I exfoliate my lips. I also need to replenish the hydration. That's why moisturization is extremely important. You can reach out to any lip balm that you like, or you can reach out to any lip oil or whatever you are used to, but just moisturize your lips. And one secret that I apply for my lips, for the well-being of my lips, is I take some oil, like again whatever oil is available at home or I feel like, I just pick it up and then I apply it in my navel and then I massage it for a few seconds. You will wake up with a very soft, supple and pink lips. I'm not kidding. You can take my word on that. Definitely try it. It's a great way of moisturizing your lips. I don't know the connection between the navel and the lips, but I think this is one of those traditional secrets of our ancestors that they passed on to us, and it really works. The tip number 4 is to protect our lips from the sun. One of the reasons why our lips turn darker is because of the harmful UV rays. So the way we protect our skin, it's equally important to protect our lips. So what you can do is you can either pull down your sunscreen to your lips when you're applying sunscreen on your skin, or you can apply a lip balm with a SPF. Very important. I think I've been doing it for a very long time and I think it really helps. Fifth and the final tip that I have to share with you all is to always use a good quality product. Never compromise when it comes to products for your lips. Don't go for all these cheap lip balms, lip glosses, lipsticks or lip liners that are easily available in the market, because they are full of chemicals and they will definitely harm your lips. So don't go for that. Always spend your money on something which is worth. And when I say that, I don't mean you have to go for like really high-end, very expensive products like Vaseline. This is so cheap, but it's a good quality product. So be wise about that. Be wise when you're choosing such products for yourself. I know at times when you see all these cheap products online, or even when you go to shops, you are tempted, you're like, let me buy this, the things which are not branded, which just comes from everywhere. So definitely don't do that to your lips. Go for a good quality product, and always apply lip balm before you apply your lipstick or lip gloss. When you do your makeup, you need to also really prepare your lip, the way we prepare our skin with a primer or moisturizer. It's very important to do that. So what I do is, when I start my makeup, like as in I do my skincare, then I slather my lips with a lot of Vaseline, again like my go-to, and then I go on with my makeup. And by the time I reach my lips, which is like the last step of my makeup, is totally primed and ready to take on all the lipstick and lip liners or whatever I'm going to apply. So never apply all these things on dry lips, because you've seen, right, it becomes so dry and so itchy and so flaky, and it doesn't even look good. So to just sum it up, if you want clean, clear, pink, pouty, plumper, baby soft lips, follow my tips. That rhymed. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys like this video. I really hope you guys are going to follow all these tips, and you guys are going to let me know if you guys are able to benefit from it at all. Definitely let me know in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to hit that bell icon, and I'm going to see you guys very soon. You guys have an amazing day today. Lots of love to each one of you.